Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over WTI crude oil ETF ticker symbol USO. At the moment we are up around 15 basis points and we are on market hours, so we have about 4 hours left. And on the 1 hour chart I do see the MACD converging down and turning negative. And then on the 4 hour chart, we see the MACD diverging and pointing downward, same as the 4 or 9 moving average and 18-day moving average is pointing downwards. On the daily chart, we are still currently overbought on the RSI, so there's not much room to move up. I do believe there's more downward pressure than upward pressure at the moment, and the support that I see will be on the 18-day moving average, and this 18-day moving average coincides with past supports that date back to last year in, I believe, in May and in June. So I do see WTI falling back down and may find support around that price range. So that drop is around, I would say, 3.3%. And on the weekly chart, we do see the 50-week moving average we are far from it, so we may consolidate, may even touch the 50-week once and may pop off. And on to the next module, I will be comparing the current chart we have here with this chart that dates back to November 15, 2017 to February 6, 2018. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So let's start in the beginning of the trend. What we have here is an upward pressure touching the upper Bollinger Band, and afterwards we find support in the middle Bollinger Band, and we continue in an upward trend and touching or staying relatively close to the middle Bollinger Band once more. And what we have in between is an upward channel and another upward channel, and do notice that these candles do remain above the middle Bollinger Band for its entirety. And for the trend below, what we have here is we have the candlesticks touching the upper Bollinger Band, and we have an instance of reverting back to the mean in the middle Bollinger Band, and another instance here as well. And we have a smaller uptrend right here, but in its last half it has a good resemblance of the current trend we are in. Notice that candlesticks remain above the middle Bollinger Band. So what we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. We also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points on the current trend. So there's reason to believe if the charts have similar patterns, the outcome would also be similar. So let's check the forecast model. So I'll go day by day where WTI, crude oil, or USO will head to in the next coming days. 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. So again, the trend that we took a look at was November 15, 2017 to February 6, 2018. At that timeline or time frame, WTI was down about 4.4% or 4.3% down. And here's the chart that I compared it to. The lines, I would say, fairly coincide with one another. And that is all. If you enjoy this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.